Ever look around your home and see that unused space just begging for a transformation? Ever thought about turning it into a stylish and functional home office? Just imagine a dedicated space where ideas flow freely, productivity soars, and creativity is nurtured. A place where work and comfort coexist. It's more than just a room, it's a sanctuary of focus. Turning an unused space into a home office is not only practical, it's a fun and rewarding project. Let's dive into the process. The first step in any transformation is to plan and design your space. Start by measuring the dimensions of the room. This will help you visualize the layout and decide where to place your desk, shelves, and other essential office furniture. Remember, your layout should promote productivity, so consider the flow of the room and eliminate distractions. Next, choose a color scheme that suits your taste and stimulates your work mood. Light, neutral colors often create a serene and focused environment, but don't shy away from bolder choices if that's more your style. When selecting furniture, prioritize pieces that combine functionality with aesthetics. Think about a comfortable chair, a desk with ample workspace, and clever storage solutions to keep your office tidy. Lastly, don't forget to incorporate personal touches into your design. Maybe it's a piece of art, a collection of your favorite books, or a plant for a touch of greenery. Once you've got your plan and design, you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get to work. With a plan in hand, it's time to bring your vision to life. The transformation process starts with a fresh coat of paint. Choosing the right color can set the mood for your workspace, and remember, lighter shades can make a room feel more spacious. Next, it's time to install the furniture. Consider ergonomic options that support your posture and provide comfort during long hours of work. And don't forget about the lighting. Natural light is best, but if that's not possible, install soft, warm lights to reduce eye strain. Now let's talk about organization. A tidy workspace is a productive one. Utilize storage solutions to keep your space clutter-free. Think vertical shelves, storage boxes, and desk organizers. Remember, every item should have a designated place. Finally, set up your office equipment. Make sure your computer, printer, and any other essential tech are easily accessible, but won't crowd your workspace. With some hard work and creativity, your unused space can turn into a beautiful and functional home office. Now that the work is done, it's time to enjoy your new home office. From an overlooked area to a vibrant workspace, the transformation is truly remarkable. Remember how we selected the right furniture for comfort and functionality and maximize storage solutions? It's all come together in this stylish, productive environment. Now you have a space that not only looks great, but also boosts your productivity. So what are you waiting for? It's time to get to work in your new home office.